let's understand what is a AI inference. Before understanding to the AI inference, let's try to understand what is a inference for the human. Have you ever understood something without someone telling you? Let me tell you an example. You came into the some kind of room where you observe that room is quite silent and you suddenly realize there must be something wrong happen with the situation. This skill is known as a inference, where our brain try to conclude something based on the observation, where like generally we observe the current situation and based on our past experience we try to conclude that this could be the possible situation. This is known as a inference for the human, and we generally use on the daily basis. Sometimes you might have observed that there is a cloudy area and you suddenly realize that today rain will come, or it may happen that you just observe your father anger and you realize like today is not the day where you should talk about your picnic, right? So that's the kind of inference. The same way when the machine try to interpret some kind of prediction, this is known as a AI inference. Let me show you a few example where AI do the inference. Generally, AI or machine learning try to understand based on the user question and the previous data pattern. So they are the few example which we'll see. The first example where generally whenever any spam mail came into the mailbox at that moment, Gmail itself identify that this mail seems fishy, assuming that you want some kind of lottery or you have been receiving $1 lakh from so and so company. So these are like fishy mail, and Gmail know like these are the spam mail. So based on the mail content and the previous observation or a pattern, it identify this is spam and it park that mail into the spam box or a bin box. So this is the one example. Another example like predictive text. Whenever like you compose a mail at that moment, the Gmail itself try to gives you few predictive text like this could be the next word you want to type. This is nothing but the inference from the AI model. The movie recommendation, you might be searching some movie on the Netflix, might be some horror movie kind of content, and suddenly Netflix will suggest you all possible horror movie on the same era. So that's what something known as a inference for the AI model. The spam filter we already discussed, and the photo taking, like you capture the photo and suddenly the AI model itself will try to take the individual person from that photo. This is the another example of AI inference, and there are like plenty of AI inference example available. I hope you are able to understand what is a AI inference. Every day I will be trying to solve such kind of AI complex term in a simple way so non-technical people can easily understand.